everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. Today's topic is about will you marry your person or not? Okay, now I'm going to give a picture here, so just choose from that pile. Okay, I'm giving the picture of piles. From that three piles, choose one pile. Okay. Hi, pile one. Okay, let's see the messages for pile one. Will you marry your person or not? So, first card is here, listen to your intuition. Second card is you are ready. Third card is Kuan Yin. Wow. For blessings is there a lot. Fourth card is life journey. Okay, so I feel the connection with your person is very strong. Okay, it is very strong that no one can break. Okay, chances are very high. I can say mostly 99.9%. Yes, definitely you will marry your person from this cards. The relationship between you and your person is very strong. It's a very past life connection. Okay, so I feel you are loving him so much, or you are loving your person so much. Okay, the blessings of this goddesses is a lot. She literally helping you in this relationship to work. She's guiding you, she's helping you, and she's giving it so much protection to your relationship to work and all that. Okay, I think you will marry your person very very soon. Okay, the wedding here, I'm seeing wedding energies here. Definitely you will marry your person. Okay, you're getting so many messages from God that this is a connection, this person is right for you and you have to marry. You're getting all of that through your intuition. Okay, God is talking to you through your intuition. You have to listen to it. Okay, be carefully listen. Whatever you strongly believing, it will happen. Okay, this connection is something very new and very different and very beautiful. Okay, this relationship with this person will go a lot of far away. Very beautiful journey is there with this person. Okay, I'm seeing you will travel a lot with this person, and you will be very happy and loving and children and all of that. Some of you may have some confusion and not having much clarity about this relationship. So what I'm getting is you need to wait for some time. You will get full clarity. Okay, and you will get a full you will understand everything why it is happening. Okay, you will understand the situation, you will understand, you will get full clarity about this connection. Okay, so you need to go ahead in this relationship. It is something very strong, and looks like this person is your soulmate or twin flame, whatever it is. Very strong connection. Okay, very strong connection with this person. I'm seeing here another goddesses here, goddesses, a lot of beautiful cards here. Okay, this is a truly amazing relationship, and it will lead to beautiful change in your life in coming days. Okay, definitely you will reach your expectations in future. Okay, I'm seeing here marriage, and there'll be a lot of abundance your way, and financial problems will be clear with this person. There'll be a lot of support from this person. Your person will definitely help you a lot with with your financials or whatever you are doing in your work. Your person will definitely help you a lot. Okay, and this connection is something very strongly from past life connection, and I feel that this connection is you prayed for this connection and it is getting. See here this card, woman is waiting here for someone. Okay, so it is very beautiful, and you're waiting for the wedding, or you're waiting for your future partner. If you are not in relationship till now, whatever it may be, the someone is very strongly will be there in your life, and it will lead to beautiful change. Okay, so you will marry your person definitely. Okay, you are feeling your person's energy during nights or something like that, and you wished God for this person, and it will happen, no doubt, and it will happen. Okay, see, a lot of money also coming your way, a lot. I feel you're very well settled family, and you're well, very nice, like I feel you're very happy about something that you're doing now, but you're not happy about your relationship looks like, so you're very confused, and that will be clear very very soon. Okay, and one more thing I'm seeing here is, you need to take some step in this relationship to go forward. If you're already in a relationship, then you need to speak about marriage, or think about marriage in future. You should not delay. Okay, and I'm also seeing that if you not meet your person, you need to wait. You should not do anything for this, and your person himself or herself, like, come by, they will come by themselves. Okay, they'll come, no need to do anything, they will come on the way. Also, I'm seeing that they're traveling, your person is traveling near water, your person is in a very peaceful place. Okay, loves nature, and your person will be little bit away from people, hard, rash people and all that. Okay, and your person literally be silent sometimes be strict and all that. Yeah, and this will definitely work. Okay, and I am seeing that something that is coming your way about this relationship. This goddess is carrying something gift to give it to you about this relationship. Okay, you're seeing this very strong goddesses here. You will get it, like, once she come close to you, this goddesses, you will get everything, the money, the relationship, the doubts will be clear, everything. She's on the way. Once God allows, this angel will definitely, these goddesses will come to you. Okay, this will definitely work. The confusion, the doubts that you're having about this relationship, please remove that, because whatever the negative thoughts you're getting, the fears and all that, please remove it, because there is nothing to worry about. Okay, little bit the family may feel little bit disturbed about this relationship with your person, but definitely it will work, and they will also, God is taking care of them also, they will also accept, and you can move forward. Okay, you can completely trust God and move forward in this relationship. It's 100% right. Okay, so I'm seeing here goddesses carrying flowers. She's holding beautiful flowers here. She's giving so much healing energies and support to you. I feel you have a strong connection with this goddesses in some life. You prayed a lot in other lives also, that she came to this life to help you. She's always there beside you. Okay, you may or may not know this goddesses, but she knows you very well. She knows you very well. She know how to help you. She's telling you to be calm. Okay, listen to her, listen to your heart, and pray to the God, and receive her blessings. Okay, you can call her. Okay, just when you're confused or something, you can always call her. She is going to help you a lot in this connection. Okay, you can go ahead in this connection. There's a beautiful start will happen very very soon. You will see a lot of change in future also, and the wedding, and everyone will be very happy about it, and you dreamed about this person, and you will get everything that you want from this person. Okay, your person is little bit confused right now, but your person will get every doubt that your person is having, it will be clear from his side also, or her side. Okay, so yeah, this is for pile 1. So let's move to pile 2. So let's see messages for pile 2. Will you marry your person or not? No need to worry. Okay. And forgiveness. Third card is opportunity. Fourth card is finding a mentor. Okay. So this pile, what message I'm getting is here, I think you are not that much connected with your person, looks like. Okay, and you're very confused about this person. You should marry or not? Will this person right or not? Will he or she accept or not? A lot of confusion is going on. Okay, so looks like from your person it's not fully yes right now. Okay, a lot of things are going on in your person's life. They're not getting full clarity about what is going on. Okay, and you're right for your person or not, your person is thinking all of that. Okay, so the message I'm getting here is no need to worry, you will get full clarity in future. Okay, something you're very worried or angry about your person, about recently something happened, you're not okay with it, something is there here. Okay, so angels are saying to just forgive. First of all, forgive so that you will see everything clearly. Okay, first forgive and no need to worry about anything because God is looking after everything. Okay, so you will get some chance to tell to your person that you likes your person. Okay, you like him or her a lot. Okay, you will get some opportunity. So at that time, slowly your person will understand what's going on and will definitely accept this proposal. Okay, looks like your person may propose you or you may propose and all that. I'm seeing that some meeting will happen very soon. Okay, some meeting will happen and it will start very beautifully, and there will be a lot of discussion will happen between you and your person. And I'm seeing a lot of sharing and caring. Slowly this connection with your partner, with your person, will improve. Okay, if you're already in a relationship, then it's look like some disturbance happened previously, that you're not okay. Maybe your person is not sticking to one situation or one decision, or talking changing the words, or one time he's saying something, another time your person is saying another, and that you're not liking. Okay, so you need to forgive. First of all, you will see everything clearly. Okay, and one more thing here is chances are very high for this relationship to happen. But here what I'm getting is someone need to take some step here. Okay, if you or your person don't take step, then this relationship will not go forward. Both are feeling very shy, or feel like not able to go forward and express the relationship, that express the feelings that you both are having about each other. Okay, so you need to express your feelings about your person. Okay, definitely this will slowly start. Okay, there is a lot of support from universe also, but even though the support from God and universe is there, then if you don't move forward, then how it works? That's a question mark I'm getting. That's a question that angels are asking you right now. If both don't move forward, and if both don't accept each other very strongly, then how it will move forward? Okay, there is always a support. Literally, God is helping both of you to connect with each other, and a lot, and gathering. You may looks like you may meet your person in some gathering, or in function, or in party. Okay, definitely. And I'm also seeing that it may happen sudden arranged marriage also with this person. But this person is your soulmate. Okay, but love and all that is a lot missing here. Romance is missing, love is missing, care is missing, understanding is missing, everything is missing. So in future, definitely yes, okay, everything will come in one place and you will see beautiful changes will happen in future. And I am also seeing that you need to wait for some more time for this relationship to happen, not to worry about anything, and you will get everything that you want step by step, okay. Don't rush or don't blame yourself for this relationship. Your person will take some decision very quickly that will change your both lives, okay. Something looks like I'm getting than love I'm getting, it's not a love kind of love, and than this I'm getting marriage here, okay. Your person may ask you for for the marriage and directly come and ask for marriage, or through parents, or you both parents talk with each other about wedding. Definitely you will marry this person, it's 100% sure, okay. So something is not moving here right now, it's all stuck, no clarity, or don't know, you're thinking whether your person loves you or not, your person thinking whether you love him or her or not, and all that. But you will get full clarity in future, okay. You need to pray. I think you're not strongly connected with the divine. Once you pray, whatever the blocks that are there in this relationship will clear. You need to connect with divine, you need to connect with God. Then if you then you will see a lot of changes here, okay. Connecting with the divine is very important, okay. Something you're thinking to take some big step, okay. They're saying to not to take any big steps now, wait for some time, you will see some sort of change in your relationship. And you may get some message, or you may get some some information through someone about this connection, that you will get some clarity that your person likes you, okay. So maybe your person told to their friends that he or she likes you, okay. So definitely love is there here, but expressing everything is missing. So definitely you will get some clarity very very soon. Looks like 9 weeks or 9 months, okay. So before 9 months it will happen very soon. Looks like before also it may happen 9 months before, like 9 weeks or something like that, okay. But you need to wait for some more time, okay. Before that, I'm also getting that right now this waiting time, you need to focus on your present situation, like meeting people, or trying to talk with friends, or going out with friends, and talking with family, and spending time by yourself. You need to do all of this waiting time, okay. Till then you should be calm, because once you receive the message, everything will go forward like a like car. It will go very fast, the relationship. But definitely for this I'm getting big yes, pile 2, okay. So let's move to pile 3. Okay, pile 3, let's see messages for pile 3. Will you marry your person or not? Ask for help from others. Second card, be aggressive. Third card, choice. Fourth card, oneness. Okay. So the connection with your partner right now, it not started, or it started recently, and you're very confused about this relationship, whether you should take step forward or not. So it's a big choice here that God has given, okay. So but I'm getting big yes, you need to go forward. You'll see a lot of beautiful changes in this relationship, okay. But you're very confused. I'm seeing your person is well settled and having everything that as a human want, like financially well settled, and everything well settled and rich, and having a lot of name in the society and all that, okay. So I'm seeing that you will definitely you will get some sort of proposal from your person, and it will be very beautiful. I'm getting very beautiful energy here. For this pile also I'm getting yes. Okay, so you will definitely marry this person, but everything your person only takes step, like you will not take any step. I feel you just say yes or something, you're very scared to take steps. Okay, so you need to ask help here. I'm getting you need to ask help. Ask help from friends or something. Discuss with others, like what you're feeling and all that. Okay, you need to take some sort of help. And uh, the message I'm getting for this pile is don't think too much. Okay, don't think too much, or don't worry too much, or don't worry, because you should think practically whether you should take step or not. That's your decision. It is very clear message. If you want it, go forward. If you don't want it, just stop, or don't think much, and don't hurt yourself. Okay, so this is very clear message I'm getting here. And your person is very well settled and very nice and very polite and very caring. Okay, if you marry this person, everything will change in your life. There'll be a lot of support, but this person is not liking something that you are doing. Looks like you are not talking much, or you may not talk much with the people, not connect with people, always be alone. That your person is not liking. Your person needs some sort of a change in this relationship. Okay, what I'm getting is your person is not liking something, that you are not moving forward about this relationship. You need to move forward. You need to take some step. You need to speak what you feel. Okay, this is what your person really want you to do it, because your person is very opening up everything, but you're not opening up much. Okay, so you need to open up. Once you open up, or if you don't open up also, this relationship will work, because you will not say no, and you're feeling very scared to go forward. But this will happen. Definitely this will happen. And I'm also seeing that this will be arranged marriage, and family will be very happy about this marriage, very happy. There is a lot of support from angels also. There is a lot of support from God, and this is already decided by God that this wedding should happen. Definitely it will happen. Okay, this person is your soulmate. Okay, very strongly I'm getting this person is your soulmate, and you'll marry this person. And you need to go a little bit forward, and think practically and be positive about this relationship. This will work. Think that this will work, and go forward. Okay, don't bring any negative thinking, or don't doubt this relationship. If you doubt this that this relationship may not go that much fast, it will delay little. Okay, don't doubt. Okay, and I'm also seeing that some offer you're getting in your life also. I'm seeing some sort of offer, or some sort of job, something you're getting your way. Okay, and you'll be very happy about it. And financially you will be very independent, and you'll be well settled person also. You will earn everything by yourself. Okay, you don't like to depend on anyone. You're feeling like like if you depend on anyone, you need to listen to them. You're feeling that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and I'm getting that your person will take care of you very well, and support you very well. If you ask anything to your person that you want, definitely your person will do. No matter what, they'll definitely support you. Okay, and I'm seeing a lot of traveling. I'm also seeing that after marriage you will travel a lot, change one place to another place with this person. Okay, there is a lot of change is there in this relationship also. Okay, what I'm seeing is this person is changing places always. Your person is doing some job which change one place to another place. Okay, you will also travel a lot. You will be very happy after marriage. You will be very happy, and you'll be very peaceful, I looks like you will settle in abroad or something. I'm getting this. You may settle in abroad. Okay, so you are settling in abroad or some faraway place that you are living in. Okay, so yeah, the place that you are living in, you will move to another place which is very far away from your place, and you will be very happy. Looks like somewhere near mountains or near water, something like that. Very beautiful and calming place. Okay, and I'm also seeing that some power you have in yourself, that God has given you. You are not realizing that. Okay, what power you have, you're not understanding it. Like whatever you decided to do it, or whatever you wish very strongly from heart with good intentions, definitely it will happen no matter what. This is very strong, you say something very strongly that God has given you the power. Okay, but this relationship definitely work. Wait for some time, you will get full clarity about this relationship. But when your person speaks or asks something, try to speak or try to express your feelings, then this relationship go forward. Otherwise your person is not understanding what is happening, and will you like or not, and all that. A lot of confusion also happening between both of you because of the communication is not good. Okay, communication is very important, expressing is very very important. Okay, so you need to do that. Okay, Pal 3, thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.